How would you answer the question, is an apple alive? Teaching using plants can help students to make connections across the biology curriculum, to see the bigger picture and develop the comprehensive knowledge and understanding that biologists require to succeed.
Scientific research using plants has led to an increased understanding of key biological processes that are fundamental to the survival of all living organisms.
This research is ripe for you to bring into the classroom, as plants are an important source of living material when teaching biology, easily sourced throughout the year and cheap to grow and maintain in school labs.
As a teacher, your knowledge of plant science will allow you to bring novel and inspiring contexts into your classroom, to engage your students and provide increased opportunities for your students to develop their practical skills.
This course will increase your awareness of how and why plants can be used to teach key biological principles. You will discover year-round, reliable, affordable, relevant and engaging practicals which illustrate the connections between processes that are fundamental to biology.
These cross-curricular connections are key to helping students apply their understanding of biology to new problems.
By the end of this course, you'll be able to identify areas of the biology curriculum where plant science can be used to challenge your students' misconceptions, deliver key concepts in novel contexts, and enrich the curriculum.
Working with the course mentors and other teachers, you'll create a plant-rich curriculum that supports your students.
Join us online to find out how teaching with plants can inspire your students across the biology curriculum.